So I see the previous video on the 3 things that I wish I knew when I first started trading. I see you guys actually really liked it. So I went ahead, I'm going to make another one with another 3 things that I think that are very, very important to know in the market, especially if you're starting off with trading. So yeah, let's start it off. So first thing is fear of missing out. That is one thing that you guys really have to control. You cannot be scared in the market. You have to jump into that market with conviction. You have to be positive. You have to know exactly why you're entering the model. Do not chase trades. Trust me. You do not need to take 10 trades a day. No, you literally just need 1 or 2 trades. 1, 2 good trades. That is all what you need. You don't need anything more than that. So do me a favor, do not overtrade. That is the worst thing. And you overtrading, you can be up $1,000, but because you weren't motivated enough or like had the heart to actually close the charts, go enjoy your day, go out, touch some grass, you ended up blowing the account. So that's why control your emotions, guys. Also, fear of missing out. Do not be scared to miss out. If you don't trade in one day, it's perfectly fine. Like, bro, me as a day trader, I don't trade every single day. I take maybe 2 to 3 trades a week. And bro, I make more than enough money. Trust me. Do not be scared to take a day off from trading. And do not be like eager or tempted to jump into the market before your model is actually presented. So be patient, wait till your model is presented, and then take the entry. Never jump and just blow your cash just like that. Have the model, enter it. When there's no model, enjoy your day and just relax. Second thing is going to be risk management. Risk management is so important. Oh my God. I never knew how important risk management was until I actually implemented it into my trading strategies. Bro, you see how, like, for example, when you're on TradingView or TopStep, whatever your platform is, you're always going to have a short position and a long position, like the tool. Bro, for example, if you're trading MNQ, which is the micro Nasdaqs, bro, in your lot, put 2 and then put how much you want to risk. For example, my trades, I risk about 500 US. Bro, it's going to tell you the exact contracts on how much to get in comparing to where your stop loss is. And you are always going to risk exactly 450 to 500 US dollars. So trust me, risk management. Have a amount that you are comfortable with losing. If you are comfortable with losing $300 in a day and you're not gonna like get hurt about it or like it's gonna like ruin your day, trade that. But don't automatically jump and scale up to risk like $700 a day if you're gonna be like freaking out in the trading, be like, oh my God, I'm down $700. Oh my God, I'm down 600. I have to cash out. No, when you enter the trade, stay in the damn trade. You are not getting out until the trade either hits your take profit or your stop loss. As simple as that. Please. So risk the amount that you are willing to lose. Don't ever look at your take profit. Always look at your stop loss and what you're willing to risk and that you are perfectly fine with losing. Second thing is you don't need 100 setups. Find one setup that you can dominate in and that setup that you can actually make money. You don't need 10 models. Pick one, back test it, master it, and trade that one model. You don't need 30 models. You don't have to look for, oh my God, inversion, enter, break a structure, enter. No. Like for example, my model, I look for this every single day. Higher time frame on the 1 hour, preferably. You have the sell side or buy side liquidity with an inversion. That's 2 things already. Then SMT on the higher time frame. Doesn't have to be, but would be very nice. So have that SMT. Then jump down to the 1 minute. On your fourth, it is your market structure shift. So you have your manipulation, market structure. Again, you can make a 5 if we have an SMT on the lower time frame. If not, you can still enter it. But that's my main goal. I don't trade anything else. I don't just see a sell side liquidity or buy side and then say inversion for value gap and I enter. No, that's not my model. I have to look for a higher time frame, buy side, sell side, then one of them getting swept, inversion fair value gap, fair value gap, then 1 minute, change of a state, or market structure shift. Either one are both the same. Well, a bit, but one's considering the wick, one's considering the body close. But yeah, bro, pick one model. It's honestly that easy. Do not go crazy and just fucking have like 1,000 models. And no, pick one model, pick one asset, and trade that strategy. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And down below I have my link for my Discord. It's pretty much just a bunch of guys, a bit of girls. I mean, if you care or not. And we pretty much just go over New York session. It's honestly really fun. It's a nice little community. And also, if you are looking for a broker, down below, really solid broker. I use them every single day. And bro, you get a lot of risk for them. I mean, a lot of reward, not risk. Well, risk reward, very high. But yeah, everything's in the description. Have a blessed day.